Hello everyone. Today is Thursday 22nd of December and we are here for a daily market observation. We are going to talk about Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So what an euphoric fall yesterday, and we saw both the indices sliding towards our targets which we discussed in Market Kya Lagta Hai weekly episode, and both the targets are completed for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Let's quickly take a look at the group discussion. So on the group, when I mentioned first sign of weakness at 43,300 put unwinding which was seen here, so that unwinding was in a way hinting towards there's going to be a fall in Bank Nifty. Even further, what has happened up till 151, if you just go back and check on a 5-minute chart at 151 when this message was posted, that was just beginning of the fall. So I'll very quickly take you to 5-minute chart. So 151 was where this candle closed. So this is 1345, 151 was beginning of this candle, first minute of this candle. And here probably I have analyzed this a minute, 2 minutes before and then posted onto the WhatsApp group. We were already having a position. So this 15-minute candle, so 3-5 minutes candle were enough to give you a very big bearish candle, about 400 points in Bank Nifty in 15 minutes, and similarly for Nifty it was about 85 points, so 0.5% move in Nifty in that one single candle, and about 392 points move in Bank Nifty in one candle. That's 0.9%. That's a massive candle. These kind of scenarios we are going to experience in coming next days as well. But this yesterday's fall in a way has again given us an understanding about the current trend, that the current trend is not about being bullish and this trend is sell on rise. So whenever you get a lower high, you have to strike and trade for the bearish trades. Let's go quickly to the Nifty chart. So this is our Market Kya Lagta Hai Nifty chart, and the target that we had discussed, the target of 18,198, which is our first target of Market Kya Lagta Hai, which got completed yesterday. It is breached. But having said this, one interesting that I want you guys to notice is that in yesterday's video I had mentioned about we are stuck in a range, we are moving in a range. So even though this range is broken for now, I will not say we are ready to close below 18,200 as of now, immediately, like today. Okay, so what is happening, if in spite of this fall or probably kissing the target of 18,198, market showed us bounce intraday day before yesterday, and yesterday's opening was at a higher level where our 1.272% targets, those targets got completed, and from there was just profit booking, right? So this profit booking has led us to the target of 18,198. Now there's one more target which is pending, which is 18,010. Okay, but at the same time, what we need to understand with the current market scenario, we might expect some bounce, let's say a bounce which can take us to 18,300 or 18,350. These are the levels where we can be headed, and it is also possible that we might be headed towards some bullish target for next couple of days, right? So like today and tomorrow we might see some bullish movement, some retracement to this fall, and then eventually we will again give up. Then again we should see the next leg of fall. But as of now, I feel that the target for this particular week is completed, because we were talking about this low will be critical, the Wednesday low will be critical, and then Tuesday low will be critical, and then on Wednesday, yesterday, we got a break below this particular level. So right now, if at all, let's say if we are closing above this particular trade, then in that case I will book the trailing stop loss for all the positions that I'm carrying in short direction. This is my analysis for Nifty. So let me just quickly plot these targets. First target will be 18,317. See, there is a lot of weakness. So I will not expect this bullish trend to be euphoric, and I do not want to trade this bullish trade. Reason is very simple. I want to keep a sanity that I want to play every time it makes a lower high, and that downwardly move I need to trade, because downwardly moves are ferocious and we should make most of this scenario. Another thing is that even though there was a intraday recovery and then again they give up, still the volatility index has not recovered. Volatility was increased by some massive 13% yesterday. So that is a significant observation that market is not ready to go up from here. The OI data also suggests a slight up move, maybe up till 18,300 400 level, but nothing beyond that. So you have to keep on holding to the positions unless and until this level goes. If this level is taken out, let's say in the opening, if there is a gap up opening and if this 18,283 is taken out, you can book your overnight short positions and move out of the trade and wait for the next opportunity to trade. For Bank Nifty, our target of 42,418, this target is now completed. Both the targets, like 42,789 and 42,418, both these targets are completed. So I feel again here as well we can experience some bounce. So from here, from this low to this high, we might see 43,100 and 43,300. These are the two targets which I'll be looking at. So this is my first target, this is going to be my first target, and this will be my second target. These are intraday targets we are talking about. For next couple of days, I think we should show some bullishness around these levels. So this is my second target. Okay. And this is my target 1. The price is already on the tab, so I'm not writing that price again. So these are the targets which we are expecting. This target might come today or maybe tomorrow, and eventually we should give up from those levels. These are the important levels that we'll be looking at. If at all, let's say we do not being able to sustain at wherever we open, and if we start falling, see, because 43,000, 43,300, these are 43,100 and 43,300, these are two important levels as per the OI as well. For Nifty, the similar levels are 18,300 and 18,400, right? So I'm not sure about 18,400, but at least 18,350 is something looks feasible to me. On a trading front, guys, if you see what we have done, yes. So again, if I can take you on the WhatsApp. Yesterday, I decided to cover my strangle position, and I covered that strangle at very close, at the very far end. I booked this strangle. It was a 10% rough calculation, rough estimation that I had booked this strangle, and actually the calculation goes something like this. So the strangle was closed with, these are the final figures, and the total P&L shows 1.22 lakh rupees. That is about 11.6% or 11.6% ROI on a total capital of some 10 lakh rupees. This is how the trades are, and the current ongoing trades, I'm holding certain Bank Nifty and Nifty future short, and I'm holding a 44,000 call short which is delivering very nicely. It's almost 50% drop from the top, so I don't need to put any stop loss or any hedge to this particular position. I even don't need to keep any stop loss for 18,500 call short. I have created this one lotter because now, since I have exited from a strangle, I will have plenty of time to decide about which strike at which call options I need to add to more positions to. These are just the beginning positions, and I want to build this position as we see a next lower high, and then from that lower high for the next lower low I'm going to play with a better quantity, and that will show us some good results. 40,000 put is something that I have bought at the very closing at about like 328, 329. So that trade needs to be watched very carefully. But I'll be little liberal with my stop losses today. If at all we open gap up and we'll wait for a 15-minute candle, and even if let's say we open somewhere here, I will still wait and look for a follow up and how these things are panning out, because even though US market has shot up yesterday, Indian market does look very weak and there is no confirmation on the front of open interest. So I need that confirmation. Today being expiry, they might try to squeeze the shorts here, and let's be prepared for it because we are trading January contracts. So there is no need to rush to book the stop losses or position. We'll take a review of the trade and then accordingly we'll decide. Yes, that's it for the day, guys. I think this I believe this must be helpful to all of you, and if these levels or these targets are helping you, if the range that we are sharing during the weekly videos, if these ranges are helping you, do let us know in the comment box, and also share with your like-minded friends. Thank you so much. I'm signing off.